Understanding the Capstone Project, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore an exciting aspect of academic journeys, the Capstone Project. Whether you're a student or just curious, understanding what a capstone project entails can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive in and demystify this important academic endeavor together. A capstone project is a multifaceted assignment that serves as a culminating academic and intellectual experience for students. Typically done in the final year of high school or at the end of a college or graduate program, capstone projects may require students to investigate a specific area of study, engage in in-depth, independent research, create something new, a product, a presentation, or a performance. This project is not just an assignment but a significant educational journey, showcasing a student's ability to think critically, solve challenging problems, and apply knowledge and skills learned over the course of their academic program. Capstone projects are not just a requirement but a cornerstone in a student's academic and professional development. Here's why they are so crucial. Skill enhancement. They provide students with the opportunity to improve skills like research, writing, media literacy, and more. Practical experience. Students get a taste of real-world experience and learn to apply what they have learned in practical, real-life situations. Career preparation. These projects can serve as a portfolio for prospective employers, demonstrating the students' abilities, dedication, and seriousness towards their field of study. While the specific requirements for a capstone project can vary greatly depending on the course and the institution, most projects include the following components. Proposal. Before starting the project, students need to submit a proposal that outlines their research question, objectives, and the methodology they plan to use. Research. This is the heart of the project, where students conduct detailed research, gather data, and synthesize information. Product. The final output could be a research paper, a documentary, a performance, an art piece, or any other deliverable that effectively presents the project's findings or results. Presentation. Often, students are required to present their project to an audience, which could be their peers, instructors, or industry professionals. Succeeding in a capstone project requires planning, dedication, and hard work. Here are some tips to excel. Choose a topic you're passionate about. Your enthusiasm for the subject will drive your motivation and the quality of your work. Plan ahead. Good organization and time management are key. Set deadlines for yourself, and stick to them. Seek guidance. Don't hesitate to ask for help from mentors, professors, or industry professionals. Their insights can be invaluable. Stay focused. A capstone project can be overwhelming, but staying focused on your objectives and breaking the work into manageable segments can make it more approachable. We hope this video sheds light on what a capstone project is and why it's such an integral part of a student's academic journey. Remember, a capstone project is not just a task to be completed, but an opportunity to showcase your skills, your knowledge, and your passion for your field of study. Good luck, and we're excited to see the amazing projects you'll create. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.